over and over people have to do kitchen remodels. Time gets in the way. They haven't done something for so long, and boom, cabinets are falling apart. The layout does not work anymore. Granite countertops are also falling apart. So boom, that goes into a kitchen remodel. So what do the people think? They think white kitchen, maybe some wood, definitely some wood. So let's talk that through. We are going to do an off-white that is warm. Why is it warm? Because it brings the nature in. And why do we want to bring the nature in? Because we do. That's the whole point of why we spend buku money to have backyard, to buy a golf course, or to do a beautiful outside flower beds, trees, all that. Because we like it. We love it. So bring it in. And we are going to incorporate it into warm white and stain. So that means wood cabinet. What is the perfect balance there? There are some people or some folks that believe that the bottom cabinets needs to be stained and then the upper cabinet will be painted that off-white. Oh, no. Terrible idea, and I'll tell you why. It's going to make your kitchen look so small. What's gonna do is going to make the eye follow the off-white cabinets, and you're not going to even see the base cabinet, right? So what happens is your kitchen, no matter how many square feet it may actually be, is going to look very short. And with very short, what happens? It looks agonizing. It just does. It's the feel of no countertops. I'm like suffocating in this kitchen. Too short. Everything is wrong. There is also the belief that if you do stain on the bottom and the off-white on top, it looks like a racetrack, right? You're racing around. Not a good compare either. So let's be real. Your perimeter can totally be either or, meaning it can be your cream kitchen, right? Off-white, or it can be the stain, but do the whole thing, bottom and upper. So most of the time in my design, you will see that I have done the white on the perimeter and my island is a stain. Depend of the tone of warm that I was I'll call it allowed to use into the perimeter is what my island will be. And of course it depends if I will have a say of staining the wood floor, because 99% of all the homes have hardwood floor in the kitchens, right? So if I'm going to have a say of what that new stain color may be. If your stain color is dark, I am going to select a dark brown island. So dark brown wood. Why? So that it pops, but it doesn't take away from the floor. The floor and the island are relatively the same. You see the perimeter of the off-white shining, everything looks so big, so big. And then you have your countertop that is semi-busy and you play it off on the backsplash. The backsplash is the mascara, you guys, come on. It has to bring the whole kitchen together, right? Don't forget the hood. You can do a hood that is metal. You can do the hood that has the same stain as your island to kind of bring the perimeter together with the island. Or we can do a custom hood designed specifically from us for you that is a particular stone, a particular tile, a particular dimensional wood, and so on and so forth. Let us show you the possibilities. We will never do nothing that you're not ultimately comfortable with, but we will push you a little bit. Let us do our job and let us show you how a off-white with the right stain can look gorgeous.